In this video, I'll be showing you how to scale your TikTok and Facebook ads using a simple but powerful strategy. Okay guys, it's your boy Christian Omeje, and today in this video, just like I said, I'll be showing you how to scale your TikTok and Facebook ads using a simple super strategy that is easy to implement and you also get results. So whether you're a beginner or you have already been running ads, this method will help you scale up your campaign to the next level and also help you boost your sales. So before we go direct into the video, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So that being said, let's jump into this video today. So as we all know, Facebook and TikTok are currently one of the top social media platforms for advertising. Facebook has actually been here for a long time and TikTok is actually new, but it's actually taking the advertising world by storm. So if you are not already leveraging on these platforms, now is the right time for you to get started. And for you to be here, you are actually at the right place. Now, before you dive into the strategy I'll be showing you in this video, the first thing you need to do is to understand how to run ads on these two platforms, because that is the bedrock of you setting your business into that space. Launching ads without a solid understanding of how it works, it actually make you just to waste your money. So to avoid this kind of mistakes, it's best you learn how to run ads on these both platforms. And I already have videos on this channel that teach you how to run ads both on Facebook and on TikTok. So just check the videos on the channel and just get to learn it, and then come back to the video and learn the strategy on how to then scale up your ads using what I'll be showing you in the video. But if you already know how to run ads, then you can just forge ahead and continue with me as we go deeper into the strategy for today. So one thing you should take note of is that the key to scaling your campaign is for you to study what is already working. That is the actual strategy that a lot of people are missing out on, because most people want to launch campaigns, but they just begin to think from the top of their head that, oh, this is the kind of campaign that will work, this is what will not work, and they come up with ads that later on do not really work. But if you study what is already working and then model it, then bring out your own version of it, I bet you that your campaign will actually do well. This is what I've been exploring for a lot of my clients, both on Facebook and on TikTok ads, and I said, let me share this with you guys today. So what I do is that I use a tool to analyze campaigns that are actually performing well on both TikTok and Facebook. And this tool that I use is actually called PIPI Ads. This tool is just so amazing. It shows you winning ads campaign on both Facebook and TikTok, that you can see what people have already put out there that is giving good result, and then you model it and replicate it for your own business. So I'm going to show you how to use this tool right now. Just ensure you take your time to see what I'll be showing you, because I'll be diving deep into my laptop right now. So ensure you stay tuned and enjoy every bit of it. So from your browser, just go to this website, pipiads.com, and it's going to bring you to this place. As you can see right here, it says discover winning ads and the best viral products. So this particular tool is a powerful tool for checking out ads that are running on the TikTok and Facebook ads platform. As we know, Facebook ads has this ads library where you can check out ads and see what's happening on other people's ads. But I tell you that this particular tool is much more robust. It gives you much more data to all of the ads running on this platform. So now to get started, all you just have to do is to click on this start for free. They give you some free options that you can see some ads in a day and explore them, although there's a little bit of limitation, but you can enjoy it. So right here inside the platform, as you can see, it gives you the opportunity to explore TikTok and Facebook ads. So now if you get to scroll down just like this, you get to see winning products. So when I talk about the strategy of you using this to scale up and skyrocket your ads, it comes in the point of looking at what is working and modeling it for your own business. Now, if you are into this niche, for example, that sell this kind of clothes, you look at this ad started just 6 days ago and it already has about 9.9 million impressions. This is to show you that this is a good ad. You understand? So what do? You can model this for your own particular product. Even if you're not in the same niche, you can use this to promote your own business in your own niche. So that is just one strategy that you can model from this point. Now, when it comes to this particular PP ads tool, there is something that is really amazing. It gives you in-depth details about that particular ad. Now, let's look at it now. When you come to this point, it says view ad details. You understand? So now, when I click on this view ad details, it gives me a broader view of this particular ads on how this ad is actually working, what is happening particularly on this ad. Now, if you look at it, this ad is run by this person called Makona directly on Shopify, and you can see the ad text, you can see the day it started, you can see how many days is running, the audience. This is so amazing. This is what ads library on Facebook will not really show you. It will not even show you the states where this ad is running. It's just very, very limited. But you see this tool is so amazing. It even shows you call to action buttons that they are using on the ad. So you can replicate this, you can model this for your own campaigns. So now scrolling down, you can get to see other data like the impression, the likes, the comments. In general, this looks like a good ad. You can see the price of the product, and you can even visit their Shopify store and get to see how their landing page is, so that you can probably learn one or two from there. You understand? So now if you get to scroll down again, you get to see different data on this particular ads. That's what do? You can actually model. You can even download this to your own system, and if you are running the same product, you can even use this for your own product too and promote your own product. So, but in general, what am I trying to say about this PP ads tool? It's a very, very amazing tool that gives you insight on ads both on TikTok and Facebook. Now, we just explore TikTok. Here is Facebook as well. You get to see tools on what is running on Facebook. Now, let's look at it. If you look at it, different tools. And what makes this amazing is that you can even actually do what we call deep segmentation. Now, let's go for Facebook, for example. You see here, you can begin to search for keywords. So let's say you're trying to sell watch. Just come and just search for watch right here. Watches. So you can see I search for watches, and as you can see right here, you can begin to see ads that are running on watches on Facebook right here from PP ads. Now you can even segment it by the region, by the e-com platform, Shopify, and call to action, audience. Can you see? This is just so amazing. Now, what is the particular strategy that you should be implementing with this tool? The strategy is looking at the best performing ads, modeling what they have done, and replicating it inside your own business. And I bet you'll get the same results. Even if it's not the same, you might even get more than them. You should do it better. You understand? It's just explore. Okay, you can explore like 2 to 3 ads, combine strategies together to bring out more creativity in your creative, because one of the biggest factors that help ads to perform better in this particular era is how attractive your creative is, because you are in the attention span era. So this is what PP ads actually does. If you would like to get started with PP ads, they have the free, just like I said. If you look at the pricing area right here, they have 3 plans, which is the starter, the VIP, and the pro. But you can actually explore PP ads for free, just that it is actually limited. You can see 40 ads per day, but you cannot really see deep details about these ads. So if you need to see more details, you need to move to like starter, VIP, and pro. As for me, I'm using VIP, as you can see both. But now let me show you the benefit of all of this now. So with starter, it's just $77 per month. So that's the you're paying monthly. But if you're even paying annually, you can see it's just $54 per month. And if you enjoy it for the first 2 months, you can just subscribe annually and just continue to use this tool to skyrocket your campaign. So if you really want to explore this tool and see how it goes, just as I'm doing, you can get a 20% discount when you subscribe using my discount code. It's on the screen, as you can see, and it's also on the description. Christian Omeje, 20% off. Once you put it, you get a 20% off and you enjoy this tool. So I believe that this I've shown you today is mind-blowing. Explore it and also come and give me a feedback on the comment section on what you actually enjoy about this particular platform. Okay guys, so that was it. I believe you have enjoyed that session. 3 things I will need to tell you is that you need to ensure that when you have modeled what is working right here, focus on these 3 things, which is your creative, your targeting, and your audience. These are the 3 key factors of any platform that you work as. For you to get the right audience, the right creative to use, and also the right copy to use on your apps. With these coupled together, you should have a good campaign out there that will definitely increase your sales margin or even for your own client. So that being said, this is what I have for you in the video. Check out PIPI Ads. The link is on the description of this video. Just click on it. Use the discount code Christian Omeje 20 off and enjoy 20% discount when you subscribe to PIPI Ads. So that being said, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. Also, don't forget to like and share the video, and also comment what you find fascinating about PIPI Ads on the comment section, and I'll be there interacting with you guys. See you on the next video. Take care and have fun.